Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Motorola. Begin by opening Devices Settings, then scroll down. Now you need to click on Security section over here. Scroll down again and select Face Unlock. Nextly, enter your current login method and tap on Setup at the bottom right corner. Then click on Setup at the bottom right corner again. And remember to keep your face in frame. Follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. After that, you can adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to by tapping on those two switchers and finally select Next. Now choose Done, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!